A compound forms hexagonal close packed structure. What is the total number of voids in 0.5 mole of it? How many of these are tetrahedral voids? ஒரு காம்பவுண்ட் ஹெக்ஸாகோனல் க்ளோஸ் பேக் ஸ்ட்ரக்சரில் இருக்குது. அதில் அந்த காம்பவுண்டில் 0.5 மோலில் எவ்வளோ வாய்ட்ஸ் இருக்கும்? டோட்டல் நம்பர் ஆஃப் வாய்ட்ஸ். அதில் எத்தனை டெட்ராஹெட்ரல் வாய்ட்ஸ்? ஸோ இப்போ இட் மீன்ஸ் தட் more than tetrahedral voids there will be octahedral voids too. HCPனாலே அதானே, tetrahedral voidsம் இருக்கும், octahedral voidsம் இருக்கும். ஸோ tetrahedral voids தனியாக சொல்லணும், and then total number of voids சொல்லணும். அப்போனா என்ன, octahedral voidsம் நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கணும், tetrahedral voidsம் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும், and then ரெண்டுத்தையும் சேர்த்து ஒரு ஆன்சர், and then தனியாக tetrahedral voids ஒரு ஆன்சர். Right? So let us work it out. First of all, we know that 1 mole of compound contains how many? 6.023022 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms, right? One Avogadro number. Right? Okay. So, appo 1 mole of compound contains 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms. One Avogadro number of atoms nu solliyachu. Appo 0.5 mole of compound contains evlo? Unity method. That is 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 divided by 1 into 0.5. So that will be equal to 3.011 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms. Right? So 0.5 mole இவ்வளோ atom இருக்கு. ஒரு மோலில் 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms இருக்கு. அப்போ 0.5 மோலில் this much number of atoms are there. Right? Now we have to calculate the number of voids. Number of voids. That is the question here. Right? So we know that the number of voids. So voids in பார்க்கும்போது there are tetrahedral and octahedral voids. Octahedral voids I'll write as OV. Octahedral voids. Tetrahedral voids let me write as TV. Tetrahedral voids. So octahedral voids will be equal to that the number of effective atoms. Effective atoms in இங்க என்னது HCP தானே, HCP. So can you give me the tetrahedral like that? That is equal to twice the number of effective atoms. Effective atoms. So inge enna in HCP. Right? Okay. So octahedral voids is equal to the number of effective atoms. I already told you na. So number of effective atoms in sense number of atoms present in 0.5 mole of the compound. So upper octahedral voids is equal to octahedral voids is equal to number of effective atoms in HC, that is number of atoms present in 0.5 mole of the compound, that is equal to 3.011 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms. This is octahedral voids, right? So for tetrahedral voids is quite simple. So it will be tetrahedral voids is equal to 2 into 3.011 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms, and that is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms. So that is TV. That is the tetrahedral voids. Got it? So this is the answer for the second part of the question. That is, how many tetrahedral voids present in that, in the total அப்படின்னு சொல்லி கேட்டிருந்தாங்க இல்லையா? So TV கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. Now, so coming back to the question here, so this we had answered already. How many of these or tetrahedral voids கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு, முடிஞ்சது. Then what is the total number of voids in 0.5 mole of it? Total number is nothing but the number of tetrahedral voids and octahedral voids. So tetrahedral voids, it has been given already here like this. So octahedral voids, we had find it out as 3.01011 into 10 to the power of 23. So total number of voids in 0.5 ml is equal to octahedral voids plus tetrahedral voids, that is equal to 3.11 into 10 to the power of 23 plus 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms. So that is finally equals to 9.033 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms, right? That is total number of voids. So this is the total number of voids present in the 0.5 ml of the given compound, right? So this is nothing but excluding the powers out. So 3.11 plus 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23, right? Okay, that's the answer. Coming back again to question here. Yes, a compound forms hexagonal closed packed structure. What is the total number of voids in 0.5 mole of it? How many of these are tetrahedral voids? So for that, first we are starting from 1 mole of compound contains dash number of atoms. So 1 mole of compound contains 1 Avogadro number of atoms by using unity method. Then 0.5 mole of compound contains so and so atoms எடுத்துட்டோம். And then the number of octahedral voids is equal to the number of atoms or spheres present in the compound. So அப்போ number of atoms கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டோம். So octahedral voids must be equal to that, and tetrahedral voids is nothing but twice the number of effective atoms in HCP. So octahedral voids as it is, and tetrahedral voids is nothing but 2 into the number of octahedral voids. So finally tetrahedral voids is identified and octahedral voids is also identified, and the total number of voids present in 0.5 ml, it's nothing but just we are adding the things, right? Got it?